Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This is इंजीनियर सैयद नौशाद अली और ये आप लोग मेरा YouTube चैनल देख रहे हैं। तो बेसिकली आज के हम लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs को जो कि कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड होंगे। तो चलिए वन बाय वन MCQs को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द स्ट्रेंथ एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ द कंक्रीट डिपेंड्स अपॉन A size of the aggregate, B grading of the aggregate, C moisture content of the aggregate, or D all of these. So the right option is D all of these. Question number 2 is the breaking up of the cohesion in mass of the concrete is called A workability, B bleeding, C segregation, or D creep. So the right option is C, that is segregation. Question number 3 is the workability of the concrete is defined as A, the ease with which concrete can be mixed, can be transported, can be placed in position in a homogeneous state. B, breaking up of the cohesion in mass of the concrete. C, separation of the water or water cement mixture from the freshly mixed concrete. Or D, none of the above. So the right option is A, that is ease with which it can be mixed, transported, and placed in position in the homogeneous state. Question number 4 is the separation of water or water cement mixture from the freshly mixed concrete is known as bleeding. A, true. B, false. So the right option is A, that is true. Question number 5 is the continuous strain which the concrete undergoes due to the application of external loads is called A, workability, B, bleeding, C, segregation, or D, creep. So the right option is D, that is creep. Question number 6 is segregation in concrete results in A, honeycombing, B, porous scaling, C, surface scaling, or D, all of these. So the right option is D, all of these. Question number 7 is the UL portion of the ingredient in reinforced cement concrete is A, Portland cement 1 part, clean sand 2 to 4 parts, and coarse sand 1 to 2 part. B, Portland cement 1 part, clean sand 1 to 2 part, and coarse sand 2 to 4 parts. Or C, Portland cement 1 part, clean sand and coarse sand 2 to 4 parts. Or D, any of the above. So the right option is B, that is Portland cement 1 part, clean sand 1 to 2 parts, and coarse sand 2 to 4 parts. Question number 8 is ferro concrete is another name given to A, plain cement concrete, B, reinforced cement concrete, C, pre-stressed cement concrete, or D, none of these. So the right option is B, that is reinforced cement concrete. Question number 9 is reinforced cement concrete is equally strong in taking A, tensile and compressive stresses, B, compressive and shear stresses, C, tensile, compressive and shear stresses, or D, tensile and shear stresses. So the right option is C, that is tensile, compressive, and shear stresses. Question number 10 is in flooring of the building, pre-stressed cement concrete is commonly used. A, right, B, wrong. So the right option is B, that is wrong. Question number 11 is for heat and sound insulation purpose, we shall use A, vacuum concrete, B, air entrance concrete, C, sawdust concrete, or D, both B and C. So the right option is D, that is both B and C. Question number 12 is the cement concrete from which entrained air and excess water are removed after placing it in a position is called A, vacuum concrete, B, lightweight concrete, C, pre-stressed concrete, or D, sawdust concrete. So the right option is A, that is vacuum concrete. Question number 13. The removal of excess air after placing concrete helps in increasing the strength of concrete by A, 15 to 20%, B, 20 to 30%, C, 30 to 50%, or D, 50 to 70%. So the right option is A, that is 15 to 20%. Question number 14 is the lightweight concrete is prepared by A, mixing Portland cement with sawdust in a specified portion in concrete, B, using coke breeze, cinder, or slag is aggregate in the concrete, C, mixing aluminum in the concrete, or D, none of the above. So the right option is B, that is using coke breeze, cinder, or slag is aggregate in the concrete. Question number 15 is in making precast structural units, pre-partition walls lining purpose, the concrete should be A, sawdust concrete, B, air entrance concrete, C, lightweight concrete, or D, vacuum concrete. So the right option is C, that is lightweight concrete. Question number 16 is segregation of the concrete increases the strength of the concrete. A, yes, or B, no. So right option is B, that is no. Question number 17 is the function of aggregate in the concrete is to serve as a binding material, B, filler, C, catalyst, or D, all of these. So the right option is B, that is filler. Question number 18 is in the manufacture of cement, the dry or wet mixture of calcareous and argillaceous material is burnt in A, country kiln, B, continuous filler kiln, C, rotatory kiln, or D, all of these. So the right option is C, that is rotatory kiln. Question number 19 is in the manufacture of cement, the dry or wet mixture of calcareous and argillaceous material is burned at a temperature between 1900 to 1000 centigrade, 1000 to 1200 centigrade, 1200 to 1500 centigrade, or 1500 to 1600 centigrade. So the right option is D, that is 1500 to 1600 centigrade. Question number 20 is the chemical ingredient of cement which provides quick setting property to the cement. A, lime, B, silica, C, alumina, or D, iron oxide. So the right option is C, alumina. Question number 21. The presence of lime in the cement. A, makes the cement sound. B, provides strength to the cement. C, lowers the crinkling temperature. Or D, all of these. So the right option is B, that is provide the strength to the cement. Question number 22. The gypsum is added to the cement for A, providing high strength to the cement. B, controlling the initial setting time to the cement. C, lowering the clinker temperature of the cement, or D, all of the above. So the right option is B, that is the controlling the initial setting time of the cement. Question number 23. After the final grinding, the cement is sieved through IS sieve number A9, B12, C24, or D48. So the right option is A, that is 9. Question number 24 is the change of state of cement paste from fluid to the solid is called hardening. A, right, B, wrong. So the right option is B, that is wrong. Question number 25. Efflorescence in cement is caused due to the excess of A, silica, B, lime, C, alkalis, or D, iron oxide. So the right option is C, that is alkalis. Question number 26. The presence of tricalcium silicate in the cement. A, hydrates the cement rapidly. B, generates less heat of hydration. C, offers high resistance to the sulfate. Or D, all of the above. So the right option is A, hydrates the cement rapidly. Question number 27. The presence of calcium silicate in the cement. A, hydrates the cement slowly. B, generates less heat of hydration. C, has more resistance to the sulfate attack. Or D, all of these. So the right option is D, all of these. Question number 28. The cement widely used in retaining wall is A, rapid hardening cement, B, low heat cement, C, sulfate resisting cement, or D, ordinary Portland cement. So the right option is B, that is low heat cement. Question number 29. Blast furnace slag cement is used for A, dams, B, bridge abutments, C, retaining walls, or D, all of these. So the right option is all of these. Question number 30. That which of the following cement is expected to have the high compressive strength after 3 days? A, ordinary Portland cement, B, rapid hardening Portland cement, C, high alumina cement, or D, sulfate resisting cement. So the right option is C, that is high alumina cement. तो आज का लेक्चर हमारा यहाँ पर ख़त्म होता है और अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। और ये आज कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 1 था जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया था। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड जो दूसरा पार्ट है वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगा।